Today we're making a rich, creamy butternut squash peanut curry. Warm, aromatic, and full of comforting flavors.
Here are the tools we'll use. A large deep saucepan with lid, a wooden spoon, a baking tray, a mixing bowl, a food processor, and a chef's knife. Let me show you everything we'll use to build this beautiful, aromatic curry.
We start with garlic, lemongrass, fresh ginger, spices, red chilies, and onion. And these form our powerful flavor paste.
To finish the curry, we'll use coconut milk, vegetable stock, lime juice, coriander, peanuts, and cooked rice.
First, blend the garlic, lemongrass, ginger, spices, chilies, and onion with a splash of water into a smooth paste. Heat the oil and cook this paste for 8-10 minutes until it splits and becomes fragrant. Stir in the butternut squash to coat fully in the paste.
Add sugar, peanut butter, and soy sauce. These bring depth, sweetness, and richness.
Pour in the coconut milk and vegetable stock, then bring everything to a gentle simmer.
Simmer for 30-35 minutes, stirring often, until the squash becomes tender.
Turn off the heat, add lime juice, and finish with coriander, sliced chili, and peanuts. Serve the curry with rice, and that's your beautiful butternut squash peanut curry.
Comforting, creamy, and packed with flavor. Enjoy.